I'm playing Friday Night Funkin'. Let's play. I'm gonna play. I think I'm gonna play. Maybe. Maybe. How about nonsense? No. Hello? Why can't I? Okay. I think you guys can hear it. 1 minute is in. Silence. Not bad. Okay. Hello, nonsense. What? You call me fat? What just happened? Sorry. Haha, you looked? What? Oh. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. It's becoming him. I love this. I really like the hard mods, actually. Can I just say that your song is pretty short, first one. Thank you, I am bad. No. Oh, come on. I don't want to. Oh wait, there you go. 3 minutes are in. Okay. This one's I sort of hate. Oh my god, it's bad. Oh my gosh, combo breaks. No combo break. Oh, one combo breaks. Oh well. Oh, I love that guy. I think you need to make your songs a little faster. No, not fast. Thank you. Wow. What? What? What just happened? Not responding. Wow, I hate this. I mean, I love this, but it's just that. I might put it in hard mode. If anyone. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh. If anyone wants me to play in hard mode, okay. If anyone needs to play in hard mode, I'm okay with that. Just ask in the comments. Oh, I saw the face! I saw the face! Oh. It still happened. Oh. Yes. Oh my gosh. Stick. Oh, not card. What? What in the world did you do? Oh. I'm not playing hard mode or bonuses. I don't remember it being like that. You're a spam boy. And stare boy. Oh my gosh. You killed me, hooray. Yeah, I'm gonna play Bob and Bossip. I've actually played this. I can't. Oh, now respond. Wow, great. Oh, 6, 8 is okay. 9 minutes. Okay. Oh, Bob and Bossip. Of course, thought about that. Stop not being nice. Stop not responding, please. Okay. 10 minutes. Okay, it needs to be quick. I hate playing in hard mode, but I have to. Oh, you thought you could scare me with that jump scare? No. Yeah, I tried playing it normal and then it just jump scared me. It scared me so much. What's that? You tried to jump scare me? Oh my gosh. This part doesn't really look good. Maybe you have to improve that part. Wow! Stop it! No! There's two Bobs. His name is Bob. What's your name? Oh my god. 11 minutes. Good thing I just skipped that part. What in the copycat? Yeah, copycat. The copycat. Smiley face. Wow. Alrighty. You just have to do that. Wait. Okay. Yeah. What is wrong? Oof. I might already die. Oh, I'm already gonna die. Three. Yeah, never mind.
Balik tengah ni lagi kau Umi nak telefon Umi dah.
Huh?
Umi nak telefon Umi dah.
Still, tengah ni recording, sorry. Depends ada nak tunjuk something. Yeah. Yeah, this. Okay. Okay. That's it for me. Yeah, and this was about to end the recording. Okay. Bye.